Yeah, maybe I could get it now. They're both cool, actually. I'll take both. Yeah. Are they my size?
That looks like kids.
Which one? Oh.
Can you get this one down?
It's adult X large.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I'll grow into it.
Okay.
All right, your bag total is $77.20. Would you like to round up or donate to China Children's Hospital? How much?
Just round up.
Round up to 78 even. Thank you so much.
Emily is on a break.
Yeah, I don't know where. Should I call someone?
All kinds of ducks. I don't have my tubs in yet. It must be from Target. Oh, my feet. I'm gonna try this with a 2-in-1 with this. Just there's a duck and a troll in that one, and this guy's fluffy hair. The duck tank's gonna have big ducks, little ducks in capsules, watery looking ducks in big capsules, regular ducks, squishy, like rubbery ducks in capsules, glittery ducks in capsules, and then little ducks outside capsules. So I don't know where the one went. Smaller ducks. I don't know that little one went, but he's like that big. Whatever, so all kinds of ducks in this thing. Don't forget this little rubber ducky. I literally have all shapes and sizes in here. So I'm moving them from this machine to a tub. I know this won't look like a tub, but bear with me. Okay, let's play this machine. I want to use this one day. It's a 50-cent machine. Let's see if we can take ducks. There, I'm gonna do this. So it takes ducks. Huh. Wow. Could probably take a 2-in-1 too. Man, I love the opening. It's so big. It's a winner every time too. It's the only quarters I got. Dang it. We know it works. I was gonna use this machine with capsules in it for my papa's card show, but they canceled it. It's not on all the way, so let's see if it works. Uh-oh. It got stuck. See it moving in there? There you have it. So I'm learning with these vending machines, they're basically just a puzzle. Look, I'm hoping to get a 2-in-1 of that little one there. I almost spun it. So let's see if I can do that. And there you go, the 2-in-1. Can put this in my giving credit series. Playing until I win everything. Okay. So that duck is a no-show, is a no-go. I'd rather break the duck than the machine itself. Gee. Now you know my capsules come out bent. I had more quarters on me. Dang. Ducks without wings can fit in this thing. I hate it when a toy gets stuck on that. That's why I say clean it out, kinda. So this is a duck tank all year, but next year I might put capsules in it. Just because I don't want the springs to break. That's so cool, it's a rare one. So I might just mystery prize these ducks so I can grab bag next Halloween. This machine was gonna make its debut, and they canceled the show. You see where the white is right here? It's blocking the hole. The ones in Montana, that wasn't there. That's why you could just shake the machine and they just fall right in. Okay, peace. So I'm gonna stick this somewhere inside or outside the machine. And this is what the things will look like. And this is how it's gonna go. Full it is, so just might have to spin it a whole rotation. I just caught a balloon. And then hopefully you'll get one of these and you'll get a large prize. Peace. Sweet. So this bear is going to be a 2-in-1. So I'm going to have to keep that out so I can put it close to the end. I want this guy to be close to the chute. Anything else I need close? How do I do this with one hand? I need him by the chute because he's gonna be a 2-in-1. Careful, this guy's from Mario. We love to hate him. I remember I've seen a machine like this at Round Table before, and I actually spent it and I just took the money out. So I don't know if that was a smart thing to do, but whatever. So these are what I'm going to put close to the chute. I'll put some capsules close. I don't really care. I have a Cinderella slipper somewhere I need to find. I have these in my big vending machine too, so they can get a 2-in-1. If they think the machine is being weird, they're going to come back like I do. Yeah, it should work. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, plop. I'm going to go put these here. Put these here. Put that there. Put these here. Put these here. Put these here. Put that here. Put him here. I want Heidi to see this. Put the rest here. I'm going to put more in here, and then I'll put those in a minute. This one had a good day in the machine. Oh, darn it, I had another one of these. I'll bury it. This is a learning experience for me. I had another bear. Gee. think I got this way, right? Might be a 2-in-1. I'm gonna put this right here. This is the last one. It's in the very top. Let some kid just spin until he wins. I don't care. Maybe next year I won't make it so full. This is the first time for this machine, so. Oh, come on. So this machine, so somebody said I should keep this, and it is rare, so I'm basically keeping it. And I won this, and I don't want to give out candy. Sugarloaf Theodore told me the coin mechanism might be shot. It's supposed to be a quarter. It takes 50 cents. So let's see if I can get something here. Nice. So what I'd have to do if I ever put this out at a card show or something is make it 50 cents. This is like the Caesars game. Nice. This is a 50-cent vending machine. But see, today it wasn't, so I could make it 50 cents, and if you get it for a quarter off, I won't complain. Let's see if I can get it for a quarter off. Now it's a quarter again. Let's save that. Put these on top. Remember this claw machine? Why'd they get rid of it? Put junk in it. I'm gonna put all these in a tub. I don't have the tubs now. So 1, 2 tubs. Oh yeah, I got this from Little Kid Entrepreneur. I'm gonna put that on top of the tub. I want it to go home. So you got skateboards. Felt some hair. Who just went hairless here? Too much sticky balls. You got this from the Three Witches. It's because of the Max Air Troll Claw machine. Why there's hair in this machine. I should put it in my vending machine that gives out freebies. Maybe next year. Like Slinky Dog. In a random. She had a lot of stuff in there. I thought there was only 2 prizes. This is a 75-cent try. $1. Why isn't this one working? Was that it? Maybe that was it. Maybe I thought I had... How did my... Let me replay this video. So, yeah, the machine didn't steal. I just didn't pay attention. So, Slinky Dog. And where's that strawberry capsule at? This. So I thought the machine was just stealing money, but it emptied it out. Pfft. Pay attention when you play machines. Should just do that. Little pumpkin. This is one of my third machines, I think. Well, it's been a lot more than that. You're probably like third. Having good luck getting the prizes out. I've never spun this machine because it's on a stand. You know, a little kid. Wait, no, this isn't it. Never mind. I was gonna say little kid drew that. There's this. Not from the new machine. It's from the old skateboard machine. I wonder if this is just a quarter, though. Oh, it says it is. Huh, nice. Most of my vending machines host vending machine toys. Not all the toys, but most. Because some things I get at markets or at kid entrepreneur events. So it's for kids, by kids, and I buy it from a kid and give it to another. And then for some reason you have random things like this. And a Squishmallow. I'm gonna see which vending machine does better tomorrow. Even though my dad's probably gonna combine tubs. A dabbing astronaut, I think from Max Air, because why not? So these are the ones that the kids made. This is my... How many machines have you seen now? 5? 1, 2, 3, 5. And I have 6, 7, 8. I have like 9 or 10 technically. I have a free one that doesn't have a container, and I have the little ones from Target. But a little boy drew that, and then he sells it now. And a girl did this one, so the flower. That's pretty cool. They go to the kid entrepreneur events. Let me get a bag. A drive up and go bag. Take some of it out. These machines I got for $95, tax over $100 at a antique store. And they come on a stand, so they're really dominating my room. They're a Beaverton, right? Is that the name of these? Dude, I need these mustaches for my conductor number in the Christmas show. And I need a black one. Sweet. Maybe I'll keep that. I don't know if these are cheap or not. Only took a quarter from me. This one has 2 more trolls in it. And then, I might keep these out, actually. I might. Because I'm going to be the Polar Express conductor. Tom Hanks and Tim Allen in the Christmas show for my Learn to Skate. So just... But, aside from that, look. I haven't put the big balls in here. These still smell like they did when I was a kid. These weren't set to make money, that's why I have things that shouldn't go in there. Like my eyeball.